Relationship management. Why is it important and how do we do it? Relationships bind us all together as humans. And without relationships, we would be like particles floating around in space without gravity. Relationships are what keeps us rooted in our life. It adds value and meaning to who we are as people. A lot of research has been done on the link between healthy relationships and a happy, meaningful existence. There's ample evidence that strong relationships lead to a long and healthy life. No wonder we see so many relationship advisors and gurus in our everyday lives. Now, how do we maintain healthy relationships? Well, we will now share some tips with you that can help you become an expert manager at relationships, of course. Number one of the most important things is to have realistic expectations. If you expect one person to fulfill all your needs and wants, chances are you would be disappointed. Every person comes with their own strengths and weaknesses, and it's important to accept them the way they are. Number two, the importance of healthy communication cannot be talked about enough. To be able to communicate effectively, you need to be present in the moment and be mindful of what the other person is saying. Listen to what they have to say and respond in a manner that is assertive, that is, put your points across and share your feelings and thoughts in a manner that is not disrespectful to the other person. Number three, resolution of conflict plays a huge role in maintaining relationships. How you resolve conflict decides the course of your relationships. When there's a conflict, decide a time to talk about it when both people are emotionally and physically ready to engage in the conversation. Make sure that there is no criticism and name calling. Also refrain from making assumptions about why the other person did what they did and allow them to speak for themselves. Remember that there may not always be a resolution. The idea is to have that space where both people can share their points and discuss it without leaving the actual situation that needed to be addressed. Relationships are tricky affairs, which always needs to be aware about themselves and what is happening around them. However, these tips will help you to manage your relationships in a manner that will help you achieve the growth that any relationship requires. If you or your loved ones require assistance with managing your relationships, reach out to us on 815-830000 so that we can help you. Please do take care of yourself and your loved ones.